Hollywood and Highland is the real heart of Hollywood, with the most attractions clustered in a small area. The metro station is under the Hollywood and Highland Center, which includes a shopping mall, restaurants, the Dolby Theatre, Dave & Buster's and Hard Rock Café, and incorporates the adjacent Chinese Theatre and Madame Tussauds. It also houses the office of Starline Tours, and a number of other LA bus tours and walking tours depart from here. Some of the most popular stars on the Hollywood Walk of Fame are right out front, and you'll find costumed characters on the sidewalk ready to pose with you for tips. Immediately across the street, you'll find the Disney Entertainment Center, where Jimmy Kimmel, Live, is taped, El Capitan Theatre, which screens the latest Disney movies with live pre-shows and prop exhibits, and the Ghirardelli soda fountain and Disney store. Catty-corner across the intersection of Hollywood and Highland, Ripley's Believe It or Not is on the corner, with the Hollywood Museum in the pink Max Factor building next door on Highland. Heading left down Hollywood Boulevard from the metro, you'll find the Hollywood Wax Museum, the Guinness World Records Museum, the Museum of Broken Relationships, the Egyptian Theatre, the historic Musso and Frank Grill, and a bevy of Hollywood nightclubs and bars all up and down the side streets. You can walk the 3.5 long blocks uphill on Highland to the Hollywood Bowl, which has a museum you can visit during the day, or catch the shuttle from Hollywood and Highland.